Alright, so here you have Chicago, February 1st, 2011. This is the Blizzard here. Looks like the police have actually shut down Outer Lakeshore Drive. What you are seeing here beyond the streetlights there, that should be Belmont Harbor. As you can clearly see, we cannot see Belmont Harbor. Normally, I can see all the way out into Lake Michigan, but I'm nowhere near that right now. Wind here is pretty bad, I'm not sure if you can tell, but the gusts in between the high rises here are probably close to 70 or 80 miles an hour now. The building, you can actually feel the building just slowly rocking back and forth a little bit, as most high rises do. So it's a pretty exciting experience overall. We'll have to wait and see what kind of snow we're actually getting here.